Hi everyone, it really is great to be here with you. Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a tutorial video on Red-Haired Boy. It should be really a reminder for most of you, but it's morphed a little bit over the years. So I thought I'd just play the parts and then I will soon create what would be the arrangement, and I'll make a click track. The click track would be basically like a scratch track, the whole entire thing from beginning to end, and you can just play your parts, record yourself, and I'll do my best to compile it into like our virtual Franklin County Fiddlers video. This is going to take place for a commemorative video for our Home for the Holidays. I hope that this is fun. I hope this is something that you can contact your fiddler friends that I might unfortunately not be in touch with. I want everyone that's involved in our Fiddlers family to participate and be involved. I would love that very, very much. So here are some things about Red-Haired Boy. About, a bunch of years ago, we kind of came up with this intro, which is this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's just A and E, and with this little chop, which is. And it's up to speed, it's probably about like this. So that can just go over and over and over and over and over again. If you wanted to participate and just play that, cool. Anything goes. Again, I want your involvement, and I'm so excited for this. So here's a little refresher of the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. And before I teach the harmony parts, some of you might just want to stop there at the melody. Again, cool, awesome, totally not afraid to be awesome. Here's the ending that we sting on the end of Red-Haired Boy. Sorry. So it's a pretty quick ending. So, and that's on purpose, a little bit of a yelp. It's effect that we're going for. So now let's work on the harmonies, or I'll give you a tutorial, which is basically a playthrough, is what I should call it, of the harmony parts. Here's the low harmony, starting on a C sharp. 3, 4. Now a playthrough of the high harmony. 3, 4. That was right. And forgive any little hurts. I just wanted to get this done, get this to you, so you can start getting these sounds back in your ears, getting instruments out, practicing. I will soon kind of arrange several times through what's going to happen when, and then give you instructions for how you could get it recorded and sent to me. And my goal, again, is to have a virtual Franklin County Fiddlers big video that'll totally be not afraid to be awesome. Okay, thanks everybody. If you're getting this around the Thanksgiving holidays, I wish you and your families a very safe and happy Thanksgiving break. Okay, thanks all. You'll hear from me again